Welcome back again on this YouTube channel, Maru's Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through how to set up MXT Tunnel Lite VPN application in all countries for a fast, secure, and stable internet access. So don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Don't forget to share, and in case you get any problem, the comment section is open. You can express your problem so that we can sort it out. That is it. First step, subscribe. Second step, like. Third step, open Google Play Store, and in your Google Play Store you're going to search MXT Tunnel Lite. Search that application, then you're going to open after downloading and then installing. Keep in mind that this tutorial is for research, information, education purposes only. Users are requested to follow local laws, internet service providers, terms and conditions, and the community guidelines. Now, allow all permissions that will be requested to you by this application, and then we're going to come and then check OK. We're going to join the Telegram channel. Now, first and foremost, if your application didn't connect or did update the servers, we're going to come right there. I'm pointing top left corner, those three menu dashes, and then check into them. We're going to come and choose the method of updating servers. Choose that method. Now, give it some few seconds to update the servers until you see this message that no update is available. Now, in the second step, we're going to come where we see auto select server. In the auto select server, we're going to be seeing those servers. Don't temper, guys, to choose any of those servers. I recommend you to keep in the auto select server. But if you see your country's server or a server that is near to your country's location, try to connect that one. Now choose the auto select server. Now in the last step, we're going to come right here where you see all country VPN tunnel. Now scroll down, look for your country's server. Those are servers from Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, Oman, and other countries, Morocco, Uganda, Iran. Look for your country's server, but I recommend you guys to come in the search bar, type in UDP. If your country supports UDP, then we are going to connect to this one. Then after, you're going to come where you see this button, tap into that one, accept the connection request, and then this application will connect successfully. If it fails to connect, you can restart or reconnect again. Like doing that, try to reconnect again. You can try to come and then choose another server. Then you try to type in UDP and then try to choose a server from other countries which are UDP. Let me try to choose South Africa. As you see, it has connected successfully. Now, what if it fails to connect to your device? Try to change the servers, restart the application, clear the app data, clear the app cake, restart your device, turn airplane mode on and then off. Now, if you're in Uganda and it has failed completely, by Learn from home, and also try to text us, then we activate for you your SIM card to KYC. Our numbers are in the bio. Text us, we're going to be replying you immediately with a code to put in your SIM card so that you're activated to KYC with 20k. Let us meet in the next tutorials. I sign out.